Once again, I've just signed into Google AI Studio and I have this creative prompt in my mind. Let's see if Google AI Studio can generate this video. So I have this command: please generate a video for me in which a jaguar is catching his prey monkey in the midair. So let's run it. So this prompt is based on a video I just saw of a leopard catching a monkey on the tree midair. So I just wanted to create a video with jaguar just like that. So you can see here it is 16 by 9 ratio, 8 seconds of video duration, and 24 frames per second is the frame set to, which is cinematic, and you cannot change it as of now on free plan. I don't think they have the paid versions. So as of now inside Google Studio you can only go for 24 fps, and coming soon means they are going to give us more options later on. And resolution is set to 720p half HD. From here you can see the negative prompts. If you want to remove something from the video, you don't want those things to be included, you can just specify here and the video will be generated just like that. And if you see the model, it is view 2. Okay, so here is the video generated. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, the leopard has monkey in his mouth, but it is not catching it midair. It is leaping from one tree to the other, but it's not exactly what I thought about. So we can do one more thing. Let's get another iteration of it. Here you can see, please generate a video for me in which a jaguar is catching his prey monkey in the midair. I can refine it, so let me pause the video and refine it. So I have just added one more line here. In the previous version of the video, the monkey was already in jaguar's mouth. Jaguar should catch the monkey midair instead. So let's see if it can generate another version of it. It roughly takes around 1 minute to generate the video for Google AI Studio. You can see from here the time. In the meantime, what I can do is I can download the previous video, or I don't think I can. Yes, I'm not able to. So that video is gone. So it is recommended that when you generate a video, download it immediately, because when you give another command, that video goes away and it is not in the history tab as well. I will show you in a bit. Let this video be generated. So here you see at around 50 seconds the clock stopped running and the video is processed. So roughly 1 minute. Let's see what it has generated now. Okay, again you see the monkey is in jaguar's mouth. It is not catching it midair. Anyway, it has generated a video, but not exactly what we wanted it to generate, but it is there. So I have a collection of videos now that I have generated using Google AI. If you want, I can create one big video of all the videos I have generated through AI, Google AI Studio. Now I'm saving this video as well. So here you can go to history, and inside history I don't think there is any of the video commands I have given. So if you do the chat, then you can find that in the history section. For video generation, you don't see any of the created videos log. So let me know if you have any questions. This is how you can also give it commands and generate the videos. It didn't do exactly the job I wanted it to do, but still it went ahead and generated the video. If you want to see the video which is generated, let me go back and show you from the download section. This is the video. Let's play it. So this is the video of a jaguar holding a monkey in his mouth, but this is not what I wanted it to do, but look how real it looks. If you add music to it, it will make more sense. So that's how you can take advantage of Google AI Studio. If your prompts are refined and to the point, then it can definitely do the job for you. I have several videos generated through AI, and some of them were exactly how I wanted them, but some of them are not. This is another video that I generated using AI. This is, here you can see, I asked it to generate a video in which a bird is riding a tiger, and it did go ahead and generate the video. And here you can see the resolution here is 9:16 instead of 16:9. So that's how you can play with your creativity and create videos using Google AI Studio. But just remember one thing, you cannot create videos beyond 8 seconds. The duration is only going to be 8 seconds or lesser, which is 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds. And for frame rates, they are fixed for 24 fps, and resolution is also fixed at 720p half HD. If you have any questions about Google AI Studio, please feel free to ask me. I'll answer all your questions. Thank you.